If you're trying to decide between Kinomap and Zwift, you're definitely not the only one. Because these are two of the biggest indoor cycling apps people compare in 2026. But honestly, even though both apps are for indoor training, they feel completely different. Once you start using them, one feels more like a cycling video game, while the other feels more like realistic outdoor riding. So in this video, we're breaking down Kinomap versus Zwift, the biggest differences, the pros, the cons, and which app may actually be best for your training style. First, let's talk about Zwift, because honestly, Zwift is probably the most famous indoor cycling app in the world right now. The app places you inside virtual cycling worlds, where you ride online with other people using animated roads races, group rides, and live competitions. And honestly, this is why so many cyclists get addicted to Zwift, because it feels much more interactive and competitive than normal indoor training, especially for people who struggle with motivation during long workouts. Now, another huge advantage, the community Zwift constantly has live races, events, clubs, training plans, and multiplayer rides happening all day. So if you enjoy competition and social workouts, Zwift honestly feels very alive. Now let's talk about Kinomap, because this app takes a very different approach. Instead of animated virtual worlds, Kinomap focuses on real-world video routes. So while cycling, you actually watch real roads and landscapes filmed by real riders, including mountain cities, coastal roads, and scenic outdoor routes. And honestly, many users say this feels much more immersive and realistic, especially for people who miss outdoor riding. Now, another important thing, Kinomap supports more than just cycling. It also works with rowing machine, treadmills, ellipticals, and other cardio equipment. So for users with multiple fitness machines at home, Kinomap may honestly feel more versatile overall. Now let's talk about realism, because this is where people usually choose. Sides Zwift feels more like competitive virtual training gaming and online racing, while Kinomap feels more like realistic scenery, simulation, and outdoor-style riding. And honestly, your personality matters a lot here. Some people love the game-style energy of Zwift, while others prefer the calmer and more realistic experience of Kinomap. Now, let's talk about graphics, because honestly, Zwift looks cleaner and more polished overall. The animations menus and online features feel more advanced, but Kinomap's real-world videos often feel more natural and visually relaxing, especially during long endurance rides. Now, another important thing, both apps support smart trainers and connected indoor bikes, but Zwift usually has stronger features for advanced cycling performance and racing systems, especially for competitive riders and structured training plans. Now let's talk about pricing, because this matters a lot long-term. Both apps require subscriptions for full access, and honestly, many users eventually choose based on whichever app keeps them motivated consistently, because the best training app means nothing if you stop using it after 2 weeks. Now let's talk about the negatives, because no platform is perfect. Some users say Zwift becomes repetitive after a while, especially if they are not interested in online racing. Meanwhile, some users say Kinomap feels less polished and less social compared to Zwift's massive community. Now, let's be honest for a second. If you are highly competitive, love leaderboards, and want workouts that feel like online gaming, Zwift is probably the better choice overall. But if you mainly want scenic rides and realistic outdoor-style experiences, Kinomap may honestly feel much more enjoyable, especially for relaxed training sessions. So, to wrap this up, both Kinomap and Zwift are genuinely strong indoor cycling apps. But honestly, they focus on completely different experiences. Zwift feels more like competitive virtual cycling, fitness gaming, and online racing, while Kinomap feels more like real-world riding scenic, immersion and realistic cardio training. And at the end of the day, the best app is usually the one that keeps you motivated to ride consistently.